Alright, welcome back. Dirty D here, coming to you live. Got another little do and don't. One of the things you do want to do is to make sure you keep up on the maintenance on these machines. Keep them turning, keep that money making. This guy is the DM2 HAAS. We don't have to do very much maintenance on this. Typically, with all the sensors and the tech, the tech that goes into this machine, and because it's a newer model, pretty operator friendly, if you will. This guy has one major thing that it'll tell you if it's low, and that's the grease. It's got an automatic greaser on it for all the screws and glides. That's for Y-axis, Z-axis, and X-axis. Back here in one of your control panels, you're going to find this oil filter. It's actually a grease filter. Liquid grease. There you go. See how it shows you the color, identify, your numbers, what it needs. Pretty simple too. What happens is the machine will tell you. It'll be like, hey, you're running out of grease, asshole. Why don't you lube me up? And you're going to be like, yeah, but I don't really care. And it's going to be like, nah, you're not running until you grease me. And so you'll have to come back here, undo this filter, and take a walk on over to, oh shit, it's at the other shop. When we have containers, we're in 1 gallon sized pails, kind of like this guy right here, that have the grease in it, and it has the same numbers on it, and it has the same color coordinator, if you will. They like to go off a lot of colors, as you can tell, but that will have the same thing on the jug. You'll top this filter off, you'll screw it back on, hand tight. Don't get a freaking torque wrench out or anything, because they don't need to be torqued. Just make it nice and snug, hand tight, and you're back in business. To pretty much load the system, therefore get the air out of it and make sure that it's pumping grease through those lines, it is the third one down. You press that, and it's going to apply pressure to the grease. If you watch this valve right here, there you go. That's how you know it's, as the pressure's dropping, it's slowly pushing grease through, and it is greasing the machine. You just got to remember it's the third one down though. Another one of these, it operates the spindle. You will drop the tool holder if you press them. So don't go in here and just start pressing buttons. Third one down, press it down, release. There you go. That's how you get this thing back up to par, get it greased. This oil right here, you should never have to touch. It's probably on like a 1-year basis that we will fill these, but just don't even worry about touching that. So on the DM2 though, that's one of the alarms that might go out. Well, it's not really an alarm, it's more of a warning. So that's what you got to do on this guy. Obviously keep it clean, keep her up to par, wipe stuff down here and there. We also have the tool changer. Tool changer has, I believe, 2 grease certs. There it is, right there. There's one, and it has one on the other side. When greasing these, all it is doing is greasing that lever right there on both sides. You pump too much grease into it, you're just gonna, every time you use this, sling grease all over the fucking machine, and it's just a mess. And nobody likes a greasy ass mess. So when doing the tool changer and greasing it, which obviously the grease gun is located over here on the TM1P, you'll grab that, you'll do about 2 to 3 pumps, and you do it maybe once a month, and that's all it needs, because it's something that honestly doesn't have to be greased a lot, but it's going to help with a smooth tool change, because we all know how fast this fucking machine is and its tool changes. at 1.6 seconds, that's kind of scary. So probably want to keep that up to par. So once a month we'll we'll pump some grease into it and call it good. And that is basically it when it comes to the DM2. You know, clean your auger out, clean your coolant, keep her going, keep her making money. All right.